Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Wahlcolor Pro Complete Hair Cutting Kit with extended accessories. Cape includes color-coded guide combs and color-coded hair length key, styling shears, and combs for home styling, 79,300 to 1,001. The guard seems a little flimsy, but so far they have held up without issue. He needs a cut every 4 weeks, and, at $13 a pop, it was getting expensive. This clippers with the color forks are sure a lot easier to find your size that you want. It has a nice sharp blade, and gives a good quick cut. Totally worth the money. It was working pretty well at first, but after 34 tries it makes this loud noise. It comes with plenty of different sizes. It comes with a plastic thing that you put around your neck and body so that it doesn't make a mess all over your clothes, like a bib. Have lots of choices for length of cut with attachments. Set has anything you need for a simple haircut. Any product can break, but being backed by reliable company makes a world of difference. It is a shame that as the time goes by, more and more manufacturing products like this one are coming from China, with cheap quality. Clipper worked fine for a few times, and then stopped cutting, even though it was running. Not as quiet or efficient as you'd want, but for the price, it's a good deal. Received the item. It had fingerprint smudges on it, and the blades were crooked. Also good if you want to save a few bucks by keeping your hair short and shaved. What should take a few minutes takes 10 to 15 minutes going over and over the hair. The different colors make it easy to organize, and to make sure that the appropriate length is on the clipper. It comes with a lot of pieces and parts, which has come in very handy. This has a taper lever as well as 116 and 18 for perfect beard lengths. You have to move the slide to almost the longest length before it runs at high speed, and is able to cut hair. It runs very smoothly, is not too loud, and is pretty ergonomic to fit your hand. Other than that, these clippers are magic, and saving me a buttload of money. This has saved our family of 6, 4 of them boys. Tons in haircut costs. Works great so far. They do get a little warm to the touch, but the guard keeps the warmth from the scalp. Works very well. Color-coded combs make it easy to set up for beard trimming. The Wahl line has always been a good product for the money. This is no exception. Has everything you need to take care of the family. Yes, the guards are flimsy, but the clippers are durable, and not loud at all. It works well, which is the most important thing, as it serves the purpose for which it was bought. None of these others have the ease of cutting, and options of length quite like this Wahl set has. It is quiet so it doesn't scare the kids, or the dogs, and can get close to the dog's eyes without hurting them. It disappointed me to find out that the one attachment is the largest one included. La mercancía se encontraba en óptimas condiciones y de acuerdo a las especificaciones del vendedor. They even have a half-size blade cover so fades are super easy to do. The first 2 haircuts with this system was enough to pay itself from 2 cuts at Supercuts. Bought early as a gift, so when the gift was given it had already been a month. Now that is a handy item, and definitely becomes a money saver personally, or for the entire family. This clipper is also light and balanced with easy reaching the tough spots for young and older heads. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.